Moon Knight is set to premiere on Disney Plus March 30th, 2022. But can it work as a self-contained series? I'm Eddie, and this is your Nerd Collision news update. Welcome to our channel. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the bell button for new notifications so that you know that whenever we have new videos on our channel. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into our main topic today, which would be how disconnected is Moon Knight from the MCU? Now, this news comes to us from IGN.com, and according to this article, Oscar Isaac, Moon Knight, and Ethan Hawke, who will be playing Arthur Harrow in this series, state that the series will have a similar approach to the first Iron Man movie. And we have a direct quote here from Oscar Isaac, and that quote reads, "Moon Knight was a similar approach where we're building this thing from the ground up. It's still in the universe, but that's not part of the plot. That's not part of the story. It rests on its own terms, and it's really an internal exploration of this person. So, this person is not connected to any of his reality that is happening. That's part of his problem, whether it's Marvel or not. So, it really just tries to get in the skin of this guy." Now, we also have a quote here from Ethan Hawke, who also enjoyed the first Iron Man movie, and he states, "I love, when we see the first Iron Man, or when I first saw Black Panther, where I don't know the origin story, I don't know all the characters, I get to be really told a new legend. And I was happy when we first talked about this, that it was disconnected because it gives us much more freedom. And as an audience member, it's what I want. I want to not know what's going to happen. It gives it a little more originality. It gives us a chance." Now, the show will also have differences from the comics, according to the article, portraying Stephen Grant, also known as Moon Knight, as a gift shop employee rather than a billionaire, as he's portrayed in the comic books. Ethan Hawke also states that this show has the potential to be the origin story of a larger thing. Now, here are my thoughts on this news, and I only have a few, not a lot. My first thought is this show may work better as a self contained story, with previous shows tying into upcoming Marvel properties such as WandaVision, Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which will tie into Armor Wars and Captain America 4, and Loki Season 2, Ant-Man Quantumania. This show may really be the start of expanding the MCU into a much more darker side. Now, with upcoming series such as Moon Knight, the Blade movie, and also the upcoming Werewolf by Night Halloween special, we could be seeing a possible team up of the Midnightsons, whether they decide to do that in a movie form or maybe a series form strictly for Disney Plus. And also with this this darker side of storytelling, it is something that I see in the future for the MCU, especially since they've acquired rights to Marvel's Defenders TV shows on Disney Plus, and also have a Daredevil project in the works. So, with this new information, Marvel fans have a lot of exciting stories to look forward to in the upcoming years. So, with that being said, I'd like to know, what are your thoughts on this news regarding Moon Knight? Do you think it's going to work as a self contained story? Would you like to see more darker storytelling in the MCU, or do you like it as it is right now? Let us know right below in the comment section. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching. Also, please remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell button for notifications of new videos that we have here on the channel. Also, remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you all very much for watching. I'm Eddie, and this has been your Nerd Collision News Update. We'll see you soon.